Okay, so let's solve this problem. So in solving exponential equations, then we have this given. So first, we need to rewrite these numbers with the same base. So we have this 4 and 16. Since we can rewrite this 16 as 4 to the power 2, so this equation becomes 4 to the power x minus 1 then equals, so 16 is equal to 4 to the power 2. Then since we have now the same base, so we can equate now these two exponents, so that's x minus 1 equals 2. Then to solve for x, transpose this negative 1, so x equals 2 plus 1. So therefore x is equal to positive 3. Then for this given, so again, we need to rewrite these numbers with the same base. Since this 125 is equal to 5 to the power 3, and this 25 is equal to 5 to the power 2, so therefore this becomes 5 to the power 3 then to the power x minus 1. Then equals for this 25, that's 5 to the power 2, then times x plus 3. Then from the laws of exponent, that if we have x to the power m to the power n, so an exponent raised to other exponent, so we just need to multiply the two exponents. So therefore this becomes 5 to the power 3 times x minus 1. Then equals 5 to the power 2 times x plus 3. Since we have now the same base, so we can equate now these two exponents. So that's 3 times x minus 1, then equals 2 times x plus 3. Then simplify to solve for x. So multiply, this one is 3x. 3 times negative 1, that's negative 3, then equals 2 times x, that's 2x. And 2 times 3, that's positive 6. Then to solve for x, so we have 3x. Transpose this, positive 2x becomes negative 2x. Then equals 6. Transpose this negative 3 becomes positive 3. Then this 3x minus 2x, that's 1x or x, equals 6 plus 3, that's 9. So x is equal to positive 9. Then for this given, so we have this 6 and 36. Since this 36 is equal to 6 to the power 2, so therefore this becomes 6 to the power x equals 1 over 36 is 6 to the power 2. Then from the laws of exponent, that if we have 1 over x to the power n, this one is equal to x to the power negative n. So therefore, we can rewrite this equation as 6 to the power x equals, move up, so this becomes 6 to the power negative 2. So since the same base, so therefore, x is equal to negative 2. Then for this given, so this 25 and 9, so 25 is equal to 5 to the power 2, and 9 is equal to 3 to the power 2. So therefore, this becomes 3 over 5 to the power x equals this 25, that's 5 to the power 2 over this 9, that's 3 to the power 2. Then we can rewrite this equation as 3 over 5 to the power x equals, so move down, so that becomes 5 to the power negative 2, and move up, that becomes 3 to the power negative 2. Then from the laws of exponents, so if we have x over y to the power n, this one is equal to x to the power n over y to the power n. So therefore, we can rewrite this one as 3 over 5 to the power x equals, since the same exponent, so we can put this exponent outside. So we have now 3 over 5 then to the power negative 2. So we have now the same base, so therefore x is equal to negative 2. Then for this given, so 5 and 25, since 25 is equal to 5 to the power 2, so we have now 5 to the power 3x plus 8 then equals, this 25 is 5 to the power 2 then to the power 2x. Then from the laws of exponents, so exponent raised to other exponents, so just multiply the exponents. So we have 5 to the power 3x plus 8 then equals 5 to the power 2 times 2x. So since the same base, so we can equate now these two exponents. So that's 3x plus 8 then equals 2 times 2x. So we have now 3x plus 8 equals 4x. Then transpose this 4x. So that's 3x minus 4x then equals, transpose this positive 8, that's negative 8. Then 3 minus 4, this one is negative x, equals negative 8. Then to make this one positive, so multiplied by negative 1 or divide both sides by negative 1. So therefore x is equal to positive 8. Then for this given, so 4 and 8, since we can rewrite this 4 as 2 to the power 2 and 8 as 2 to the power 3, so therefore this becomes 2 to the power 2 then to the power 5x minus 13 then equals 1 over 8, that's 2 to the power 3 then to the power x. Then exponent raised to other exponents, so you multiply the exponents. So this becomes 2 to the power 2 times 5x minus 13 then equals 1 over 2 to the power 3x. Then simplify, so we have 2 to the power 2 times 5x minus 13 then equals, move up, so this becomes 2 to the power negative 3x. Then since the same base, so we can equate now these two exponents. So we have 2 times 5x minus 13 then equals negative 3x. Then simplify, so 2 times 5x, that's 10x. Then 2 times negative 13, that's negative 26, equals negative 3x. Then transpose this negative 3x, so we have 10x plus 3x then equals this negative 26 transpose, that becomes positive 26. Then this 10 plus 3, this one is 13x equals 26. Then to solve for x, so divide both sides, 13. So therefore, x is equal to, so 26 divided by 13, that's positive 2.